Welcome back to the channel, Prop Trading Gurus. Have you ever found yourself torn between elite trader funding and Topstep? You're not alone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of proprietary trading to compare these two giants. We'll break down their fee structures, funding programs, and much more to help you decide which firm is the right fit for you. So, make sure you stick around for all the insights and tips. First up, let's briefly overview these firms. Elite Trader Funding was established in 2010 and has a strong presence in both New York and Chicago. Meanwhile, Topstep, founded in 2012, operates solely out of Chicago. Their locations influence their operations and offerings, making each firm unique in its own right. Next, let's dive into the fee structures. This is a critical factor when choosing a prop firm. For Forex trading fees, Elite Trader Funding offers competitive rates, while Topstep has a fixed fee per contract. In terms of cryptocurrency options, Elite Trader Funding has a limited selection, whereas Topstep provides a variety of options available. Understanding these fee structures can significantly affect your trading experience, especially if you favor scalping or swing trading strategies. Now, let's discuss the funding programs. Both firms offer varying levels of support and profit-sharing structures. It's important to evaluate how profits are shared in each program and compare the parameters like maximum daily losses and drawdown limits. Selecting the right funding program can be pivotal in aligning with your trading style and risk appetite. If you're finding this information useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more trading insights. Let's talk about activation speed. Who wants to wait to start trading? Elite Trader Funding offers instant activation options, while Topstep provides fast entry into trading opportunities. It's also essential to assess the clarity of evaluation criteria and transparency in the single challenge evaluation. Faster activation means you can capitalize on trading opportunities without delay. Customer satisfaction ratings give us great insights into traders' experiences. It's crucial to understand how traders feel about each firm's fee structures and consider that each firm offers different fee structures that may cater to specific trading styles. To wrap it up, both Elite Trader Funding and Topstep have their unique offerings. The right choice for you depends on your trading style, goals, and what you value in a prop firm. Which firm do you think you prefer? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore advanced trading strategies. Thank you for watching.